Assalamu alaikum. So today I am going to start the third chapter of your second unit, that is the 9 gold medals. And this is a poem, and this poem was written by David Roth. He is a singer, songwriter, actor and an author from Chicago. Okay. So this poem 9 gold medals is about true sportsmanship. We all know that Olympic Games are what Olympic Games are all about. So these games are held after every 4 years. Okay, so this poem talks about Special Olympics, which were organized for the differently abled athletes. So 9 such athletes had assembled to participate in the 100-meter race. Okay. So children, this poem is about the 9 athletes who are differently able and who came from different parts of the country to participate in the 100-meter race. Okay, so now let's proceed towards the poem. The athletes had come from all over the country to run for the gold, for the silver and bronze. Many weeks and months of training all coming down to these games. So these 9 handicapped athletes had come from different countries to participate in the Special Olympic Games. They were going to run to compete for the gold, silver and bronze medals, and which means to attain or to achieve the first, second and third position. Means they came with the full determination that they will succeed. Okay. So they had undergone vigorous training and for many weeks and months for the grand event, mean for this day. It means that they do lot of practice, lot of hard work and training for weeks and months to participate in this Olympics. So now the second stanza. The spectators gathered around the old field to cheer on all the young women and men. The final event of the day was approaching. Excitement grew high to begin. So what does this mean? Means the hundreds of thousands of spectators have gathered in the stadium to watch these runners. Spectators means viewers, and gathered means to assemble, means hundreds and thousands of people were assembled to watch these runners. As they came onto the field for the event, all men and women in the stands cheered them. When they entered in the stadium, in the field, all the men and women, they start cheering them. Whole day there were different events which took place. Now it was time for the final event. The athletes took their position on the tracks and the race was about to begin. So everyone was very much excited as the final event was going to start. The blocks were all lined up for those who would use them, the 100-yard dash and the race to be run. These were 9 resolved athletes in back of the starting line, poised for the sound of the gun. There are some difficult words such as lined up. Lined up means to arrange in a line. And resolved. Resolved means decided. Poised. Poised means balanced. So this was going to be a 100-meter race. Just before the race commenced, the loudspeakers announced the name of the contestants. Okay. So these 9 contestants stood waiting for the signal. All of them were full of excitement and confidence. They were determined to give their best to win the race. Now they had taken up their positions and were waiting for the traditional gunshot to mark the beginning of the race. And so finally the name of these 9 contestants was announced, and they all poised means they all balance themselves, they all take their positions, and they were waiting for the traditional signal, that was the gunshot, which means the beginning of the race. The signal was given, the pistol exploded, and so did the runners, all charging ahead. But the smallest among them, he stumbled and staggered and fell to the asphalt instead. Here the difficult word is stumbled. Stumbled means almost fell. गिरना, लड़खड़ा जाना. Staggered, walk unsteadily, not to walk properly. Asphalt means the racing track. Means the track that was made for the players by using different colors, by using chalk, sometime like that. The track that was made, that is called asphalt here. So finally the signal was given, means that finally the moment arrived. The signal was given when a shot was fired. The pistol exploded means the signal was given when a shot was fired from the gun, As soon as the players heard the shot, they began to run. There was one very young athlete among them who had some trouble. So he stumbled and staggered and eventually fell down on the ground. So among these 9 athletes, there was one athlete who was very young, and when he started running, he just stumbled and he fell down on the racing track. I hope that up till here the poem is clear to all of you, that how the 9 athletes from different parts of the country had come to participate in this special Olympiad of 100-meter race. And finally they start their race after giving the signal by a gunshot. And we saw that one of the contestants who was very young among them fell down while running, and he fell down on the racing track. And we will study the remaining poem in our next lecture, inshallah. So Allah Hafiz.